Mansory, the controversial tuner, has unveiled its latest project, the Tempesta Celeste, a tuning package for the Ferrari SF90 Spider. The ultra-aggressive body kit includes a plethora of forged carbon body add-ons, a two-piece rear spoiler with an extra LED curved strip, a menacing quad exhaust system, and a massive rear diffuser with an F1-like fog light, which lend the Italian stallion from Maranello a polarizing appearance. The front bumper features double canards and chunky spoiler lip, while the vented fenders and the side mirror caps are now beefier courtesy of forged carbon upgrades. Just about every body panel has been taken to the extreme to make the convertible as wild as they come. In addition to the radical exterior, Mansory has worked on the engine, a twin-turbo 4.0-liter unit mounted between the axles. The V8 alone now produces 980 horsepower and 723 pound-feet of torque. Combined with the 3 electric motors, the hybrid setup delivers a total of 1100 horsepower and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of only 2.4 seconds. The droptop supercar is capable of reaching a top speed of 221 miles per hour. To complement the extreme exterior, Mansory replaced the OEM wheels with a custom lightweight forged set 21-inch front and 22-inch rear, and put Mansory branding on the body-colored brake calipers. The interior is equally eccentric, bathed in leather with carbon accents where leather couldn't be used. Even the floor mats are wrapped in light blue leather. The tuner is producing only 3 examples of the F9XX Tempesta Celeste, and each one will be unique since they are part of the tuner's one-of-one series.